ang next portion natin, may enjoy natin lahat kasi ito na! Who's ready for Game 3? Let's go! Okay, so this is called, ano bang ating Game 3? Handa na ba tayo? Para siyang, mind game. Oh, okay, so ito na nga, the next game is called Read My Mind! Very simple. Yeah, we have props. We have a chair here, and also a whiteboard marker, and a marker, and an eraser.
Okay.
So here we have some contestants joining us, and why won't we call them in already? Kanina pa sila nag-aantay. Okay, explain to you the rest of the mechanics later on. Pasok na tayo, contestants! Okay, so we have some players joining us. Okay, hello! Hi! O, dito muna tayo. Kilala niyo ba sila, guys? Let's cheer for our friends! Cheer naman natin sila! Okay. Ayun, iba may message na.
Wow, nice video.
Okay, so, Jugi, maybe let's say hello to them first and ask them their names. Mabilisan. Anong pangalan ninyo? Hi!
Naman Kayamnida.
안녕하세요.
Oh, nako-Korean na. Naomi, Kim, Kayam, and?
My name is JC.
Kim, JC.
안녕하세요. 조안입니다. 성종기 필리핀 kanakanilang admin.
안녕하세요.
Jovan. Magko-Korean na yata itong lahat.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Hi po, what's your name?
Hello, Ma. My name is Erica. This is my dream to see you in person.
Oh, Erica, dream come true.
Hi, Opa. I'm Ashley Imida.
Ashley, okay.
Hi, Opa. I'm May.
Hey, very easy.
안녕하세요.
I'm Kurt Darinito from Batangas City.
Kurt, with a T.
Nice to meet you, Kurt.
Pinag-isipan pa niya kung mababaw siya. Okay, buti naman, pinanindigan mo. Hello, meron ka pang ganyan.
Hi, I'm Rowan represent. My name is Bridget. And
Bridget.
Bridget, ayan na. Official
Oh, hi, David.
Okay, hi.
안녕하세요.
my name is Marcelo. I'm from Tundong.
Marbel.
Okay, Sarah Meda, hello, and?
Hi, I'm the Bakme, Ada.
Aida.
Okay, Ada. Okay, so now that you've met them, let's go back to your
Okay,
seat over
let's
there.
go.
Okay, guys, so meron tayong lahat ng
Ready.
whiteboard and markers, diba? Maybe we can move it to the side of it. So, okay, or kayo po ang mag-a-adjust. Siyempre, adjust tayo doon konti. A bit more. Okay, a bit more pa. Para no copying. Okay, stop. That's good enough. Alright, si Ada, baka mahulog na eh. Okay, so, alright, we have here our whiteboards. It's kind of like a this and that game. So we have a series of this and that, and all you have to do is, kayo muna ang magsusulat. Kailangan hulaan nyo, ano kaya yung sasagutin ni Song Joong-hee. Ganun lang kasimple. Pero you have just a few seconds, okay? Mabilis lang to, bilisan nyo na magsulat, okay? And kung mali yung sagot, may eliminate kayo. But if not, you stay on. Malaman natin kung sino ang grand champion after this. Okay? So, let's start with the first question. This or that? Okay, so ready na ba tayo? Alright, timer starts now! This or that, kayo muna, sulat niya muna. Mamaya na niya i-reveal, ha? Okay. Alright, so cat or dog? Kayo muna, patingin ng sagot. Na-lock in na yan yata yung answer niya. Okay, patingin ng sagot. Okay, dog lahat. Tama? Okay, so let's see if it's a match with Song Joong-hee. Oh, okay, so?
Or?
Okay, cute niya. Ganun ko sila. Okay, let's see. Okay, tignan natin kung tama kayo.
Dog.
Yay! Okay, so why is it dog? It's because you have a dog, right?
I hamburger called Nala.
That's so cute, Nala. Alam niyo na yata to eh. Okay, sige, let's move on to the next. This or that. Let's read this mind. Okay. Is it pasta or pizza? Go! Sulat mo na. Parang mahirap. It's hard because they're both yummy. They're both masarap. Ano, kaya niyo ba? Madali lang to. Well, actually, kaya, ano kaya? Ano tingin niyo? Ano kaya? Tingin niyo pizza? Okay, kayo, ba niyo ang sagot? All of us? Pizza, pizza, pizza. Ay, may pasta din, ha? Pasta, 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 pasta. Ah, so, mostly pasta pala. Oh my gosh. Ay, okay lang yan. Ano? Okay, let's reveal your answer. Let's see.
Sorry, I love pasta.
Yay! Para sa mga sumagot ng pizza, don't worry. May consolation prize po tayo. Okay, adjust po tayo dito. Okay, sakto lang. Okay. Alright, I moved down a bit more. Okay. Are you ready for the next? Isn't it so fun? Chevy so soft, right? Very fun. Okay, let's see the next. This or that. Beach or mountain? Okay. Lock in your answers, guys. Sulat na natin. Ano kaya? Ang bilis ng iba sumagot, ha? Okay. Nakikita niyo ba dyan? Okay. Okay, let's see your answers. Everybody patingin. Maramas. Nakasagot ng beach, beach, mountain, 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 beach, mountain. Okay. Let's see. Okay. I wonder what it is. Let's reveal it. Let's go. It's okay. Okay. Let's go.
어떡해.
It's okay.
Mountain.
Mountain. Ang nagbari. It's alright. It's okay. But I will ask you, bakit? Kinchana daw. Kinchana. Okay. So why mountain? How come mountain and not beach?
모르겠어요. 산이 더 좋아요.
Di ko alam. Eh, gusto ko na mountain.
Bakit ba? Bakit ba kailangan mag-excuse? Okay. I think at the moment, I think they were thinking of beach because you said you like summer. So maybe, oh, it's okay. Close.
미안해요.
Okay, next, let's see it. Ano kaya? This time it's chocolate or vanilla. What could it be? At daming nag-react ka. Ano? Ano tingin niyo? What do you think it is? Okay, patingin. Kaya ba ba? Gamit ko tayo. Patingin mo ng sagot ninyo. Everybody, can they see? Vanilla, chocolate, chocolate, chocolate. I'm looking at this face. Okay. Alright, let's see it. It is.
I love chocolate. 미안해요. 너무 미안하다 이거.
I feel really bad about this, no?
It's okay. Okay, let's move on. Grabe na lang kayo. Guys, malaman na natin ang top 3. Let's go. Kaya ba? Magtama kayong lahat. Top 3 na. Oo. Pwede na kayong lahat. Okay. Are we ready? Let's see what's next. It's coffee, tea, or tea. Coffee or tea, guys. Ano kaya? Baka sulat niya na, choco bar. Okay ba? Okay. Let's see. Macchiato. Oh, very on brand tayo, ah. Okay, repeat mo na. Coffee, tea, and ano, isa ka lang. Pag ikaw na nalo, ikaw lang. This is the last round, everybody. Okay? It's okay. Last round na to, guys. Sino kaya mananalo? Let's see the answer.
I really love coffee.
Coffee!
미안해요.
May consolation
Feels so bad.
Nag-worry pa.
Nag-sorry pa siya. Actually, alam mo ba, lahat kami dito panalo na. Tama po ba? Makita ka lang live. Maraming salamat. Pinaligayan niyo talaga kami. Tama po ba? Okay.